Starting to make the pear preserves. These are the pears. Just peel them, getting ready to quarter them and slice them into pieces. Okay, we've got about 16 cups of pears cut up in there, 4 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon, 2 cups of water. You're just going to heat them up, mix it up, and then let it simmer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we'll can them. So I got it on now. I just put everything together, and we're gonna let it cook. All right, we're about ready to can these. The only thing I added was about 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and I went ahead and added some pectin in there at the end because it's still kind of thin. It should thicken up. Then I'm gonna transfer it to the cans. And these are pretty big. That's all I had left, and that's all they had in the store. So I'm using the big ones. I'll probably get only 2, maybe 3 jars out of these instead of 7 or 8 of the half pints. But let me turn this off. Start scooping it in there, and then we're going to process it in here for 10 minutes, and that should be good. All right, let me get these processed. Now you're going to shoot for about a 1/4 inch of headspace in there. Once it settles in, you wipe the lids good, right the rims of the jars good, and then put your lids on, seal them finger tight, and then you're going to process it for 10 minutes. Now the 10-minute process time is going to be not when you put them in, but once it starts to roll and boil again, and then you're going to time it 10 minutes for a full rolling boil. And then take them out and let them sit. And they should all be sealed. And you can ring on the top there. You hear that one big little noise? That means it's not sealed. They should all be good and taut across the top there. All right. Let me get these wiped out and lids on. I got a little bit left in there. Put that in a jar, and we'll probably just eat that tonight. All right. I was actually able to get 4 jars out of it. Well, 4.5 really. I'm going to eat this one, but we got 4 jars. Remember, these things are hot now, so be careful taking them out and canning them. And that's about it for this. We'll probably start on the wine next week. I already ordered everything else. Just have to pick up some more pears. Start the process of doing the wine. That'll take a couple of months to age the wine, but I'll do a video on that later on. Thank you. If you like my content, subscribe, like, share, all that jazz. Appreciate it. Thanks again. Bye-bye.